EXEN suction feeder. EXEN's new product, the suction feeder, is a powder and granular material transport device capable of powerful suction with a small amount of compressed air. The compact design allows for serial arrangement, making it adaptable to various installation locations. Additionally, using multiple units can extend the transport distance. Various powders such as granules, coffee beans, and powder paints can be transported, making it highly versatile. Not only transporting powder and granular materials, the suction feeder can use for various applications according to your requirement. EXEN's suction feeder is made of stainless steel, making it hygienic and safe due to its electric-free design. Furthermore, with no moving parts and a simple design, it is a product that is free from malfunctions.